Hello kids, and welcome to DTW Tutorials Junior. Welcome. Okay, in today's video we're going to be looking at some common entrance past questions on ordering of fractions. Okay, I have gotten this from past questions. All right, so please make sure you follow me through this and get the DTW common entrance practice CBT app, okay, to practice on your laptop. It contains all the questions with your answer solution, all your past questions with the answer solutions. Don't worry, I will show you the app at the end of this video. Okay, so here it says here, arrange the following fraction in ascending order of magnitude. Remember what I said about ascending order? Ascending order is from the smallest to the largest. All right, so we need to know which is the smallest of this fraction to the largest. Now, if you can see here, the numerators are different, the denominator of the fractions are different. So we need to use the LCM method. So let's come here. We do 1 over 2, comma 5 over 6, comma 3 over 8, comma 7 over 12. All right, so how do we find our LCM? Should we do the long method way, or should I show you a trick? Now, to get the LCM of this, just do 12. You find the biggest denominator, which is 12. Multiply it by the lowest, which is what? 2, which will give you, what is 12 times 2? 12 times 2 will give you 24. Can you divide 24 by 8 without a remainder? Yes. Can you divide 24 by 6 without a remainder? Yes. So it means that 24 is the right LCM to use. That's the least common multiple. So we do our division, our line, and we put 24. So we now do 24 divided by 2. What would that give us? It will give us 12. And you do 12 times 1, and that will give us what? 12. Put a comma. You do what? 24 divided by 6. What is 24 divided by 6? That will give us what? 4. And 4 times 5. What would I give you? 20. So you put 20 up here, comma. Please, if you haven't watched the videos I've done on fractions, addition, subtraction of fractions, please make sure you watch this. Even changing proper fraction to improper fractions, I have done those videos on the YouTube channel. Make sure you watch to come. Also, very importantly, how to find your LCM. All right, please do also watch that video. Okay, let's go on. So we do 24 divided by 8. What would that give us? That would give us what? 3. Then we do 3 times this 3 up here. So 3 times 3, that would give us 9. Then we do 24 divided by 12. What is 24 divided by 12? That would give us what? 2. And we do 2 times 7 up here. 2 times 7. And what would that give us? That would give us 14. So, comma, 14. So from here now, we now have a common denominator. So it is easy for us to know the smallest. All right. So from here, the smallest is 9. And what is the fraction? 3 over 8. So this is the first fraction, the smallest, followed by 12, okay, which is 1 over 2. This is the second. We're going for the smallest towards the largest. Now we're followed by what? 14, and which is what? 7 over 12, which is your third. All right, then finally 20 is the largest, so that's 5 over 6 is the largest. So we have order is from 3 over 8. So let's look from the option. Okay, we have 3 over 8 here, which is 1. Then we have 1 over 2, which is this. Then we have 7 over 12, which is this. Then we now have 5 over 6, which is this. So our right option here is option D. Do you see that? So on your common entrance sheet, you now tick that up. Okay, so good. All right, so let's go to the next one. Should I clear the screen, or you want it this way? Let me clear so we have a fresh screen. Okay, now this says descending order. So descending order is from what? Largest to smallest. Do you see that? From largest to smallest. And the same thing here, there are different denominators, okay, and different numerators. So we have to use what? LCM. All right, so let us see this. So we have 12. We use the same trick again. We have 12 and 3, right? So we do 12 times 3. What's 12 times 3? 12 times 3 is 36. But I feel 36 is a bit, can you do 8? Can 36 divide by 8 without a remainder? No. So we can't use what? 36. What can we use again? From here, we can use let's see, if you do 3 times 4, that is a 12. You can use 12. We have 12 here. All right. So here the LCM will be 24. Okay, I can easily get that, but let's do the long method together in case you don't know how to quickly get it by yourself. Let's do the long method together to find our LCM. So we put a 12 here, 3, 4, 8, and you see that the LCM is what? 24. So the first number, the smallest number we can use first is 2. So 2 would go in 12 how many times? 6 times. All right, it will go. It can't go in 3. You drop your 3. We're finding the LCM, remember, not HCF. Okay, so 2 in 4 would go 2 times. 2 in 8 will go 4 times. 2 can still go. 2 in 6 would go 3 times. This you drop 3 because it can't go. This will go 1 times. This will go how many times? 2 times. We can use 2 again because we have a 2. We drop 3, we drop 3, we drop 1, and 2 in 2 1 time, and we can use 3. 3 in 3 1, 3 in 3 1, and we drop 1 1. So finally we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And what is 2 times 2? That will give us 4. And what is 4 times 2? That will give us 8. And what is 8 times 3? That will give you 24. So our LCM here is 24. So we put 24. Then we do 24 divided by 12. What would that give you? That will give you 2. 2 times 7. That will give you 14. Comma. 24 divided by 3. That will give you 8. 8 times 2 will give you what? 16. Now, comma, we do 24 divided by 4. That will give you what? 6. 6 times 3. That will give you what? 18. And we do 24 divided by 8. That will give you 3. And 3 times 5, that's times 5 here, will give you what? 15. Okay, so now we can find the largest. Which is the largest of this number? It is 18. Okay, so this is the largest fraction. So you put it as 1. What's the next one? Is 16. Okay, and we put this fraction as 2, followed by 15 here. Okay, we're doing from the largest to the smallest. The next, okay, which is what? 5 over 8, which is the third one, okay, third fraction. Then followed by finally the smallest fraction is 14, which is 7 over 12. So this is smallest fraction. This is our fourth fraction. So let's look for the first one in the option that we should have is 3 over 4, which is the largest fraction. So we have 3 over 4 here. Next should be 2 over 3. Next should be 5 over 8. Then finally 7 over 12. So this is our answer. Do you see that? Okay, I hope you fully get it. Let's do one more. We have 7 minutes. This 7 minutes. Let's do one more. Okay, let me clear the screen. I have one more question for you. Okay, can you see this question? The question can come. Please note the vocabulary. If you see here, it says here, fraction in order of magnitude, ascending order of magnitude. Don't be scared of this word magnitude. Just look out for the word ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to largest. Look out for the word descending order. Descending order means largest to smallest. Now, look at this one now. It says, which fraction is the smallest out of this? Okay, so let us find this together. So you need to get our LCM. So what can be our LCM of 7, 8, and 9? This is quite tricky, right? Quite tricky. All right, so to get the LCM of this, let's do our long method LCM. Okay, we have 7, 8, 9. Okay, 2 can go, we drop a 7. All right, and 2 would go in 8 how many times? 4 times. Drop your 9. Since 2 can't go in 9, 2 can go in again. It can't go in 7. Drop the 7. It can go in 4. That will be 2. It can't go in 9. Drop the 9. Then we can use 2 again. 2 can't go here, but can go here 1. We drop a 9. We can use 3. 3 wouldn't go in 7, so we drop the 7. We'll drop this 1. It will go in 9 how many times? 3 times. We can use 3 again because we have a 3 here. Please make sure you watch the video on finding LCM. I really explained all this for you. All right, can 3 go in 7? No. We drop the 7, we drop the 1, and 3 in 3 is 1. Okay, and finally, the number that can go here is 7, and 7 is what? 1. So we multiply all this to get our LCM. So we do 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 will give us 8. All right, 8 times 3 will give us what? 24. What is 24 times 3? That will give us what? This is 3 times this. Will give us 12, 2, carry 1, and 3 times 6, 72. And we have to multiply 72 times 7. Okay? And that will give us what? What is 7 times 2? That's 14, carry 1, 4, carry 1. And 7 times 7 is what? Is 49. And 49 plus 1, that will give us what? 504. Do you see that? We have 504. So it means that 504 is our LCM, okay? So we draw our line, we put 504, okay? During your common entrance exam, you'll be given a basic calculator so you can quickly calculate this, okay? So what is 504 divided by 7? That will give you what? 72. So you do 72 times 4. Let's do this together. That's 8, and 4 times 7, that will give you 28. So you have 228, comma, and what is 504 divided by 8? That would give you, if you punch in your calculator, you will get 63, and 63 times 5, okay, times this 5 up here, you have this times this is 15, carry 1, this times this is 30, 30 plus 1, 31. So you have 315. Then you have 504 divided by 9 will give you 56, and what is 56 times 7? 7 times 6 would give us what? What is 7 times 6? That will give us 42. We put 2, carry 4. And what is 7 times 5? That will give us 35. And 35 plus 4, that will give us 39. So we have 329. So what's the smallest of these numbers here? It is this. So the smallest fraction is 4/7. Okay, and not this. This is cancelled out. The question is, what is the smallest fraction of this? So it can be 2 fractions. So all these 2 answers should be cancelled out immediately. All right. So your answer should be in between these 3. And our answer here is what? Option A. 4/7 is the smallest fraction. I hope you followed and enjoyed this class today, solving of common entrance past questions on ordering of fraction. I quickly want to show you the CBT app so you can practice more. All right, you can practice more on your own. Let me quickly clear it. This is the DTW Common Entrance CBT app. Let me go to the home page. This is the Common Entrance CBT app with your past questions and their solutions. It works offline when you activate it for 4,000 naira one-time fee for a year. All right, so you come into here, you select your subject. You can see it has all the common entrance subjects, English and your pre-vocation or social studies. All right, you have your quantitative. Let me select everything. And we get into the interface. All right, you can put it there. There's a particular mode called practice, study, mock mode. I always like playing around with study mode with my kids. Okay, so you click start. All right, so you can come here and let me quickly show you the quantitative. Can you see this? After that, your child can try this question. After he tries it, then he can quickly check the answer to see if it's right. You can see the explanation is here. When you come to social studies, can you see explanation is here? Okay, you can see the future of the study mode future. You can hide the answer. You can show the answer. That's a study mode. For the practice mode, you won't see the answer. It's on exam mode. Your child is practicing. After when the time is up, then he now sees his correction. All right, so here you have maths. Can you see this? And the explanation. You have verbal. Can you see this? And the explanation. So it has all the answers here. It's not like your show guide and all that doesn't just questions, no answer. No, you don't know if your child is right or wrong, or maybe you are stuck. You don't even understand it as a parent. You get my point? But with this, you have your answer solution. So please do get the DTW Common Entrance app. WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp details is on our screen here. This is our WhatsApp details. Look at our WhatsApp details. WhatsApp us if you want one-on-one online tutorials for your child. Also WhatsApp us if you want the CBT app. WhatsApp us and we would direct you on how to get these services. So thank you so much. All right, kids, don't forget that Jesus Christ loves you. All right, come to him today and remember to always honor mommy, honor daddy, respect them, okay, do good to them, and also your siblings, be good to your siblings. In school, do not bully your friends, do not bully anyone. Be good, be kind to people, and the Lord will bless and honor you. You are destined to win. You are a champion. All right, thank you, and see you in our next video. Do make sure to follow us, like this video, and also watch our other videos on DTW Tutorials Junior YouTube channel. Take care and see you in our next video.